Joint Change of Command Ceremony ng Service Support Battalion at Marine Corps Assault Boat Battalion isinagawa. Ang buong detalye ng balitang yan ihahatid sa atin ng ating tagapagbalitang mandirigma, Corporal Nino Cordova, Philippine Navy Marines.
Joint Change of Command Ceremony ng Service Support Battalion at Marine Corps Assault Boat Battalion isinagawa. Isinagawa ang Joint Change of Command Ceremony ng Service Support Battalion at Marine Corps Assault Boat Battalion noong ika-23 ng Oktubre taong kasalukuyan sa headquarters ng Service Support Battalion sa Zamboanga City. Ang nasabing aktibidad ay dinaluhan ni Brigadier General Nestor E. Narag, Philippine Navy Marines, ang commander ng Combat Support Brigade bilang kinatawan ni Major General Arturo G. Ruas, ang commandant ng Philippine Marine Corps. Si Lieutenant Colonel Robin P. Matiliano Jr., Philippine Navy Marines, ang outgoing commanding officer ng Service Support Battalion na pinalitan ni Lieutenant Colonel Richard C. Cordero, Philippine Navy Marines. Samantala, si Lieutenant Colonel Arnel Dewey P. Estuliote, Philippine Navy Marines naman ang pumalit kay Lieutenant Colonel Dino Hudson P. Aznar, Philippine Navy Marines bilang officer ng Marine Corps Assault Boat Battalion. Ang mga nasabing unit ay may malaking tungkulin sa paghahatid ng pangunahing serbisyo pagdating sa amphibious operations at iba pang misyon ng Philippine Marine Corps. Ako si Corporal Nino Cordova, Philippine Navy Marines, tagapagbalitang mandirigma ng Marine Corps Public Affairs Office at ito ang Balitang Mandirigma.